To connect your Razer BlackShark V2 Pro to your PC, start by ensuring the headset is fully charged for optimal performance. Plug the included USB wireless dongle into an available USB port on your PC, then turn on the headset by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a tone or see the LED indicator light up. Your headset should automatically pair with the dongle, but if it doesn't, press and hold the power button until it enters pairing mode, then press the sync button on the dongle. Once connected, go to our PC sound settings by right-clicking the speaker icon in the taskbar, selecting sound settings, and setting Razer BlackShark V2 Pro as your default playback and recording device. For the best experience, download and install Razer Synapse from Razer's official website to customize audio settings, enable features like THX spatial audio, and update firmware if needed. If you're using the headset in wired mode, simply connect the 3.5mm audio cable to your PC's headphone jack. Now, your Razer BlackShark V2 Pro is ready to use for gaming, streaming, or any audio needs on your PC.